Had a false alarm. All right, the jurors have returned to the courtroom. Please be seated. All right, the court was informed a few moments ago that the jurors had reached a verdict in case number 21 CR 2794, People v. Woodyard. I didn't see anybody that was specifically carrying some paperwork, but who's the foreperson? Okay, the juror in seat number 2 is the foreperson of the jury. Has the jury reached a unanimous verdict? All right, I'll have Ms. Moore collect the verdict form. All right, the court has received the verdict form from the jury. People of the state of Colorado v. Nathan Woodyard, case number 21 CR 2794. The verdict form followed by the signature of the foreperson reads, "We, the jury, find the defendant, Nathan Woodyard, not guilty of manslaughter, reckless, and the lesser included offense of criminally negligent homicide." Does either party wish to have the jurors polled? All right, folks on the jury, I want to thank you for the close and careful attention that you paid to this trial. As I said, when the term jury service or jury duty is mentioned, I expect most folks didn't really expect what they got in this case, and it was really 3 weeks of testimony that was some of it very tough to watch. And the question may now arise of whether you can speak to folks about what your thoughts were about the process and the trial. And the answer is as much or as little as you want. In other words, if somebody continues to try to ask you questions over your objection, you should let me know about that. And if anybody becomes critical of your service as a juror rather, you should let me know about that as well. If it weren't for folks like you that were willing to come in and carefully listen to the evidence in the case and deliberate, one of the most important pillars of our democracy would fall, and that would be the jury trial. With that, I'm going to have my judicial assistant take you folks back into the jury room for just a moment. I should be back in just a moment. Right, the jurors have stepped out. All right, the court will release any bonds or holds with respect to Mr. Woodyard. Any record folks need to make?
For the defense.
All right, the court will be in recess.